This looks like... All right, guys, I'm at the Milwaukee Media event and another exciting release. This is the M18 straight nailer, 16 gauge straight nailer. They haven't made this one yet. Finally came out. Super excited about it. I personally like the straight nailers. This is going to be $329 bare tool, and it's coming out in a couple of weeks. Really, really nice nailer. All the features all the other nailers have with the sequential switch or on-off switch. Probably powers off, I'm guessing.
Yep.
Powers off. After what, a couple of minutes, 10 minutes, an hour?
Off on its own after about 60 minutes.
60 minutes. So you get about an hour before it shuts itself down.
And that's due to inactivity. You
Right.
can shut it off yourself.
And then you've got your depth of drive. Comes with a couple of extra tips for it. It's got a really nice line of sight here too. If you look, it just you can see right down. You can see where the nail's going to come out. It's a nice nailer. Let's put a couple of nails in, shall we? Let's play right in here. One more click. This looks like poplar. Double. Pretty nice. Let's go in here. This is a nice clean hole. Really nice. Just playing around a little bit with the depth of drive. It's pretty responsive too. Check it out. It's pretty nice.